Hey everyone! If you're ready to transform your body and your life in just 3 months, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll share some killer tips to help you shed those pounds and feel amazing. First things first, set clear, achievable goals. I'm talking about realistic, measurable, and time-bound targets. Remember, this is your journey, so tailor it to fit your life. Next up, nutrition. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think lean proteins, fresh veggies, and healthy fats. Cut out the processed junk and sugary drinks. Trust me, your body will thank you. Now let's talk workouts. Consistency is key. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aim to work out 4-5 times a week, and don't forget to challenge yourself. Push a bit harder each time. But hey, it's not just about the physical. Your mindset plays a huge role in your transformation. Stay positive and be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way. And when you hit a plateau, don't get discouraged. Keep pushing forward. Tracking your progress is super important. Take photos, record your measurements, and write down how you feel. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Lastly, find a support system. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. You don't have to do this alone. Remember, transformation is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy every step of the way. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's crush those goals together.